Hi guys, as you can see I'm back out. I got a text yesterday off John, a friend of mine. I haven't been out for well over a month now, camping. And he says he's coming out tonight, so I got a text yesterday. I said no, I wasn't going to come out because I've got things to do, and I thought last night, well, sod it. There's a lot of shit going on at the minute with me and friends and family, and so I could do a breakaway, so I thought, sod it, I'm coming out. But I've come the easy way to John's camp. I've got to cross this river. It doesn't look too bad. John doesn't know I'm coming. I haven't texted him back. So it'll be a surprise for him, and hopefully we'll turn up tonight, but I'm all sorted. You can see I've got a, you can see that or not, I've got a chest bag and a burger and all my crap in. Suppose I better cross this river. I'll get you back to you shortly. Now I've just had a thought to myself. John doesn't know I'm coming, and I don't know where he's going to be camping, and John's got a lot of different camps. So what I've done, I've come to his newest camp, and hopefully he'll turn up here tonight. If not, I'm going to have to backtrack a few camps to see if he's there. I'm assuming he'll come here because his chairs are here, his tarps are here, so hopefully I'm in the right spot. But time will tell, and I shall catch you all shortly. Well guys, I've got my hammock set up. I'm just using my usual camo TW hammock and the 3x3 double E tarp. Just the usual. This is just the usual setup. So, but I've got my Arctic sleeping bag, and I've also got a softy jacket with us too, because the temperatures are starting to drop round about this area now, and it's only 7:25 at night. And you can just feel the temperature dropping. You can see autumn's coming in. Leaves are starting to drop. And yeah, I'm going to start collecting wood for later on. I say I'm at John's newest camp, so start collecting a little bit. I'm just going to wander around and collect some more and get it going, get a brew going. And I'll probably catch John later on, hopefully. Okay, I shall catch you later. So it's 20 to 9 at night. Thought I'd take a wander. And how's that for a moon? Massive full moon tonight. Clear sky, couple of clouds, not much. But yeah, it's really lighting the place up. It's huge. Not sure what time John finishes work. I think it's usually 10 o'clock at night, somewhere around there. I've got enough firewood, but I'll get the fire going when John turns up. It's about 10:30, maybe 11 o'clock. I don't know, maybe a bit later than that, and no sign of him. I'll just get it going and get a brew and that on. I'll catch you shortly. No, it's now 10:15 at night. I'm decided to put the fire on because I'm frozen. What was I usually with some cotton wool balls, nothing else. Took a spark straight away, and I just processed my wood, and it's running fire now, so I can finally get a brew and get warmed up. No sign of John yet, so but when he does get here and the fire's going, so he's got to cross that river. This will be dry. Right, I'm gonna get a cuppa on. Catch you soon. Well, I just messaged John saying, guess what I am? I've got the fire on for you. And I just phoned us. I had to, so I just showing you where he was going, because I'm saying he's got that many cams. So. But he reckons he's about 40 minutes away. And so at least I've got the fire and that on for him. Not crossing that river, you do get wet, like so. Yeah, so John stopped in 2 nights, and I was planning on doing a 1 nighter, but I might just do 2. See how I feel tomorrow. So I'll be getting company shortly. I'll speak to you all soon. Oh guys, I don't know if you can see in the distance a little flicker of light over there. See the old flicker? That's John. I'm just going to take a wander over and meet him. And I'll get back to you shortly. In time for a bit of a crack and catch up. I say it's been over a month since I was camping, so it's going to be good. I'll catch you later. As you can see, John's here, and I just made. I ain't gonna say what you said, because I'll not get it right.
Sweet and sour, pork and pepper, kebabs with rice, and garlic bread.
There we go. That looks awesome.
Fucking tastes it. Oh my god.
Nom nom.
This should be classed as an 18 rated film. Oh.
Morning. I got up at 10:30. Went to bed at 4 this morning. I had a little crack with John last night. A good laugh. Oh, I'm gonna get up. The fire going, get a cup of coffee. John's still sleeping. You can see somewhere down there. Yeah, that's the time for coffee. I'll catch you shortly. As you can see, this is my 3x3 tap. And if we go over to John's, John's is absolutely huge. This goes on forever. Spot on. John's just making some breakfast. Say morning.
Hey?
Say morning.
Morning. So hot.
Plenty of wood for tonight.
Full on this, you know. Wow.
What height do you reckon you are there?
Hey?
What height do you reckon you are there?
Good 30 feet. Dude.
Picture speaks for itself, doesn't it?
Hey?
So the picture speaks for itself. What was that you just put in there?
Jam roly-poly pudding.
Nice.
I've got my jam roly-poly pudding, won't be long.
Oh, you fucker. John's up to something.
Just preparing to get some serious footage on my fire.
Ah. Morning, guys. This is the last day, and I've really enjoyed it. It's good to get back out. It's been great fun, and great food, great company. It's been spot on. I'm just up. It's 9 o'clock, and John's been up for a long time before me. You can see it over there.
Morning.
I'm gonna get up. I'll catch you all again.